Today's idiom is let's get the ball rolling. This phrase means to start an activity, process, or discussion, essentially initiating a task that needs to be done. Imagine a game where the first move involves setting a ball in motion. That's the core idea. Its origin traces back to the 19th century, likely from games like billiards or bowling, where getting the ball moving officially begins the play. It's a vivid image for kicking off any endeavor. Let's look at a couple of examples where you might use this idiom. First, imagine a team leader saying, "All right, everyone, the meeting officially starts now. Let's get the ball rolling with the first agenda item." Here, the speaker is clearly prompting the group to begin the meeting's discussion. For our second example, consider a project manager stating, "We've got a lot of work ahead of us for this project. Let's get the ball rolling by assigning tasks." In this scenario, the phrase is used to suggest starting the project work by delegating responsibilities. Both examples effectively demonstrate getting the ball rolling as the act of initiating a process, emphasizing the importance of taking that initial step to move forward on any task.
When you want to express a similar idea, you could also use kick things off or get the show on the road. Kick things off is very similar, often used informally to mean to start something, like a meeting or an event, with an energetic feel. Get the show on the road also means to start, or get moving, but it carries a slightly stronger sense of urgency or momentum, as if a performance or journey needs to begin promptly. These alternatives offer slightly different nuances in tone or context.
To summarize, let's get the ball rolling is a fantastic idiom for initiating any activity, process, or discussion. Rooted in the visual of setting a game in motion, it clearly communicates the need to start. So, the next time you're ready to begin a project, kick off a meeting, or simply initiate a new task, don't hesitate to say, "Let's get the ball rolling." It's an encouraging and widely understood way to prompt action and move things forward effectively. I'll see you next time with another great expression.